famous for its peanut sauce, and also their peanut sauce salads. You have tahu tek from Surabaya, you have pecel, you have gado-gado. But here in Denpasar, one of the famous ones is tipat tahu, which is basically bean sprouts, peanut sauce, fried egg, shallots, and also lontong, which is like rice cake. And it's all mixed together and has a wonderful, spicy, caramelized taste. Now, for me, I always love a little bit of chili. And you mix this all through. That peanut sauce is rich in flavor. Got a little bit of heat to it. This is amazing, and it just gets washed down with the egg and the tofu in there as well. So I'm here in Warung Wardini, which is really famous for nasi campur. And what's interesting about this place, unlike many places in Denpasar, that a lot of them started on the outside of people's homes. And Warung food is basically someone's own personal home-cooked food served to you on the side of the road or outside their house. And you'll find that a lot of Warungs get so popular that they actually bring it into the house, and you actually end up eating with a family almost. And you can see just behind here, that's where they live, and someone lives over there, and we're in their Balinese compound. So it's amazing to see how street food can evolve. So I was going to dip myself into a little bit of sambal there. That bumbu, the bumbu merah is so spicy that the sugar is caramelized on it as well. And then the satay lilit. Just like a fish cake really, on a stick. Balinese hospitality is almost one step away from eating in your mum's home. And that's what I feel in Wardani's Warung. Crispy duck is one of the most well-known things in Ubud. And I'm at Bebek Bengal, which is what it's known for. Wow, this is the crispy duck itself. Then you've got the tupang with satay lilit and some urap. And then here's some hot sambal. And you can just rip it off. You feel like a complete carnivore, but that's what it's all about. That duck, the skin is so crispy. It's so juicy as well, tender. Dip it in there. It's got a little bit of spice there, but you've got that shrimp paste that comes through with tomato. Let's try the sambal masa. This was first founded in the 90s, when literally all around here was rice paddies, and there was nothing. And the name of the dirty duck, which is actually what it means in English, is because they had a whole load of ducks that came running through the restaurant just before the opening, and hold and bold, that's what they called it. And I know what it's like when you're opening up restaurants. To be honest, trying to find a name always happens at the last minute. It's hard, but the name works because the duck is dirty and it's damn good.